Hey friends, this is Aaronica Cole and welcome back to my channel. And over here, of course, we talk about sewing. Now listen, I was browsing through YouTube the other day and on a short that it had this little sewing machine that was up there. So I bought it. We're going to unbox it. We're going to try it and how it works. So the first thing that we're going to do is check out and see what's in this box. Now, I got this again off of Amazon. It's the Magic Fly Mini Sewing Machine. Of course, you know that the link is going to be in my bio, not the bio. So sorry. Like, so used to doing this on social media, but I digress. The link is going to be in the caption, and I'm really excited to take a look at this. Why? Because, so story time very quickly. Over the weekend, I had the honor of being able to work with Kenya Molly, aka Yes from Project Runway. She needed some help. I had some availability, so I went by and I helped her sew. Now, I was talking to her after the event. She was like, oh my God, I had to go and hand sew all of these things. Now, this machine is super small, so I was thinking to myself that in the event that I need something that is travel worthy and I don't want to pack up, say, one of my Berninas with me, this is such a really great option as well, right? If it works. The other thing that I thought that this was kind of cool for was not saying that I like really travel and sew, but what if I wanted to? Or what if I was working an event and I needed to make sure that like all the outfits were, you know, together, something along those lines. AKA, I actually had no real reason to purchase this, but I'm making things up as I go. But let's take a look and see what all comes in this here little box, okay? Now, I ordered it in pink. It does come in white. I think it comes in blue and the pink color, obviously, because I like pink. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And let's see. I don't know if I want to redirect you all so that you can see what's in the box or whether we're going to just pull it out. Why? Because my cutting table is still a mess because I'm in Atlanta Fractals mode still, but that doesn't mean that we stop creating content. You feel me? So what's in the box? First up, we've got this. This is the little table that attaches, you know, so that I have space to sew. And this is kind of cool because it pops down. Oh, it like literally pops into place. Very sturdy. We love this for us. Okay. Next up, it gives, let's see, what is this? I'm like, are there directions? Oh, they're at the bottom. Okay. So let's see. This is a box. It's a mystery box of random things. No, let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Okay. So it is a box and it's got a little kit inside of it with some thread. It already has, pre-wound bobbins. I want to say they match the thread options here, but they don't because there's like no purple bobbins. Then there's a seam ripper. There is needles that go in and it looks like they take a standard needle. There is a, what is this? A measuring tape. There's a thimble. No thimble is going to fit here. And then of course, scissors and a needle threader. I love that for us. Perfect. We also have a little bag, which I'm assuming is going to fit everything that we need inside of there. Oh, they included some extra bobbins and needle threader. All right, so let's go ahead and pull out the actual machine itself. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Oh, okay. It's fine. It's okay. That was nothing big. So let's go ahead and take this out. I'm going to clear off a space on my cutting table so that we can officially set her up. And oh my goodness, it takes batteries. Now it does come with a plug, but how cool is this that it has batteries in the event that I truly need for it to be on the go. But look at how cute and how small this is. I don't know if that comes off, but okay, so here we have our instructions. Oh, and that's just a piece of the box. No, thank you. So it has a manual right here. And then it has a very quick view of the instructions on getting it set up. Because I don't like to read instructions, Y'all already know we're going to do this quick view, but let's see here. So we've got our plug here. And this is a very impromptu recording for YouTube. I got it in the mail today. I wasn't sure when it was coming in because I ordered it off of Amazon at the same time that I had ordered a couple of other things for Frocktails. So I wasn't exactly 100% certain when it was coming in. So surprise, surprise. Okay, so we've got it plugged in. There we go. And now here is the, this is so cute. This is the foot pedal. I would have to say that this is very well packaged. I love this. So now it comes already threaded, but the instructions do give how you can go ahead and thread it. Okay, so we've got this. I'm like, where is the power button? Oh, on. Okay, that was surprising. Wasn't expecting that to happen. Okay, so. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's already on. You don't have to actually turn it on. And by holding down that on-off button, it just consistently threads or consistently goes. So let me turn you guys around so that we can all take a look at this together, all right? The actual machine pieces itself. So we've got one, which is where the bobbin goes, and then you thread it down, and it's very similar, or rather, this is actually not the bobbin, to be completely honest. We've got the bobbin spot here. This is where the thread spool goes. And then we've got over here, it looks like this is what we use to pick up the needle. Okay. Then this is the button that made it go like crazy. So it automatically does it that way. And then this is a light. So we have a little light button. I love that. I'm not sure what this H and L stand for. It does nothing when I hit it. But this is the threading process here. And then down here, we've got the bobbin area. So very cool. And then as you can see right here, this is what we've already sewn so far. So these are actually some quality stitches. That's the bobbin stitch. This is the top stitch, or where it's coming from for the thread. Based off of what this is saying, right? And this is our quick start guide. I have been able to kind of see exactly how it's threaded. It looks fairly simple, pretty easy. I didn't go over what each of the pieces are, but it seems pretty simple. Okay. It does say that you can use, like they give you different options as far as needles go. Like you can sew denim on here. Denim is thick. Thick like me. Okay. The maximum sewing thickness is about 2.5 millimeters. It's not suitable for over thick fabrics, but you can do jeans. They give suggestions for if you're sewing thin needles, and it also says, or thin fabrics. It also says here, if you can't sew well, you can use 2 pieces of paper to damp the fabric, or put a paper under the fabric to sew. So, very, very cool. But you guys, this seems like it's really, really simple. Now, I do want to know what... Oh, okay, look. And inside of the manual, they have a lot of troubleshooting ideas. Wow. Okay, so taking a look at all of these parts here for this little machine. $30 is a really good price for this. Not gonna lie. It uses 4 AA batteries in the event that you need to. Okay. Okay, so that button that I hit before, it speaks to the speed of the sewing. So you can either go high or low. Very cool. Bob and spin. Bobble spindle. Oh, okay, yes, that's that. Hand winder, bobbin holder, take up lever, thread spindle. Okay, that's what I was wondering. Because of how this is designed. Okay, so let's see here. Is that supposed to come up? Well, this here was like where the thread spindle is, and I pulled that off. I'm not sure if that was supposed to come off or not, but we'll put it back on. So I'm going to, let's see. Oh, it just pulls up. It's fine. Okay. So whereas I thought that this here was for the thread spindle, it is not. This is, and it goes down and it comes up. Y'all, this is so cute. I'm here for this 100%. It does have a needle cutter. I mean, a thread cutter. I love that. Presser foot. Oh, okay. Goes up and down. Yep, I love that. Yeah, this is like legit. Too legit. Now, they didn't spell needle correctly, but we're not here to correct grammar and things like that. Threading the machine, they give very detail-oriented guidelines for how to thread it. Honestly, though, it kind of looks like you're going to need to use 2 bobbins in order to actually thread the machine. It gives good stitching instructions. Place the cloth under the presser foot and line the needle up with the area you want to sew. Yeah. And then it does have a chart in the back that talks about whether or not it is used, like you can use this machine to sew it. So it's saying for cotton and linen, yes, as long as it's not too soft. So it does not do any super soft anything. It does not do most silks and wools. It will do a hard silk or wool. It will do regular and thick polyester. It will not do thin polyester. And it's saying that it can do elastic, but it will not sew it smoothly. And when it comes to soft fabrics, they are considering towels, duster fabrics, soft fabric. Hard fabrics are considered jeans or fine canvas. Anything that is, if the cloth is 100 millimeters to 33 millimeters, is extended over 106. Okay, well, it goes over in detail what the thin versus the thick fabrics it can do. So very, very honest review. Okay. Even based off of the little bit that we did sew, some of the things that I am liking are the ease in which to get this set up, right? Because one, of course, out of the box, it comes ready to go, right? I love that. 2, it seems like it's fairly simple to get started with. They have the quick start, which has pictures of how to go ahead and actually thread this machine. I love this. Would this replace your main machine? Absolutely not. Is this something that you could travel with and get the job done? Yes. I'm taking a look at these. Let me go ahead and actually cut this. This is like, y'all, this is like really legit. The thread that they have in here, I'm not going to lie, it's a little on the thick side. This thread is like, it came to party. So taking a look at these stitches, right? These are some quality stitches. And of course, this fabric, the fabric they use is more of a 100% cotton fabric, or like almost like a broadcloth. But look at that. Like I'm pulling and that stitch is staying in there. So to me, that says that this machine is quality enough for it to actually be used, and having a good expectation of how it can be used, right? So I'm going to go ahead and take off this like plastic thing that it came with to protect it. I love that for us. Lifting up our foot, and let me show you all what I'm doing here so that you can be part of the action. So I did lift up our foot here, and I'm putting it back down. I'm using this little presser foot that it comes with to go ahead and just see. And again, quality stitches right here. All of the stitch seems to be of the same length. There's nothing that has been skipped. It does not look like you can go backwards on this, which is, I feel like, is fine. So you can't reinforce your stitch that way, but we also know that there are definitely other ways that you can reinforce your stitch. So I'm going to drop my needle. I'm going to lift up the foot and turn my fabric, drop my foot again. Now, it's a little noisy, but I honestly feel like this little machine is worth the 30 bucks that I paid for it. And I could absolutely see this being something that, you know, could get a lot of use out of. And so here I am just kind of seeing what I need to do in order to make it so that it's long enough for me to kind of pull off and use my thread cutter up here, which is where it is. So use that little thread cutter, and as we can see, the stitches are fantastic. So I do feel like this little machine works fantastically. Again, not to replace anything. Do I think it would make a good starter machine? Probably not. I don't think it's that. I do think that it's a really great backup machine to kind of keep and use in the event that you need it. So yeah, I like this. Again, this is the Magic Fly mini sewing machine. And I like that. I like that. So drop me a comment and let me know your thoughts on it, or if you have any questions on how this baby functions. And of course, I will catch you all on the next video and chat soon.